Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to import the DWG or AutoCAD file. So if you want to import, you can go to file menu, click on the interoperability and then click merge. Now in here we can use merge from file. Now searching for your DWG files, as example I will insert this file, click open and then choose the merge contents of model space into the current view. Click OK. And the next, I will use the default settings in it. Click OK again. Or click merge and then it will be attached into your drawing. Okay, that's it for a basic RCK tutorial how to import the WG file.